So Trump is sending the markets down deliberately. Again, overnight futures in Japan are massively down. Oil is down. The Nasdaq, S&P, the Dow are all down overnight futures. And this is a deliberate tactic. Let's look at why. Why is it a deliberate tactic? What does Trump want to achieve? Well, think about it. The best way to get the trading partners to the negotiating table is let's cause a crisis. And what's the easiest crisis to cause? Let's be wacky, let's be dramatic, and let's get the trade tariffs or the percentages that countries will pay sky high. They're reciprocal. In other words, there were, before Trump came to the table, tariffs on all US goods. So what he wants to do is a two-track approach. Number one, rebalance that particular trade whereby tariffs are charged on overseas goods. He wants to get production up in the US. He can financially, what he wants to get is the yields down on bonds. If he gets the yields down on bonds, then the overall borrowing costs of the US will fall. Now, this is a big gamble. It could work really well, or it could kill off the economy and continuing to push financial markets down. But financial markets are financial markets, and there is the economy. Two separate things. One, financial markets are literally living in fear or greed. Fear at the moment of a recession, higher unemployment, rising interest rates, and no international trade. Greed is when the trade is done, they will bounce dramatically and deals will be done. Negotiating will take time, 30 to 60 days, but you will see that once there is a sniff of a deal amongst trading partners, markets will settle and then start to bounce upwards. There is a significant oversell here. There's a significant extreme fear, and we could be approaching the bottom. So what we're looking for now is dollar cost averaging and looking to pick up some stocks cheap, or much cheaper than they were previously. But some analysts are saying we've got another 10-20% to fall. That's quite a lot for the Dow to fall down to 32,000. Maybe, I don't know about that one. But look at Trump. His tactics will work. The Fed will reduce interest rates. Yields are coming down. People are piling money into bonds out of stocks because they want to be in cash. Concerned, nervous. That is working. Price of bonds is going up and yields are coming down. So overall, Trump's financial tactics are working. What needs to happen next is a deal. I'll be running a webinar on the 4th of May to discuss it. If you want to join it, comment webinar.